Hey everybody, I just wanted to touch a couple things. I haven't posted the videos of how the speakers sound or anything like that, but I got those all made, so I'll post those right after this, of how the speakers sound. I got the door panels all back on. A couple more plans. I'll do an unboxing video. I got two 8-inch Troppo subs. They're 400 watt RMS. I think 2.8s will be just enough in that Envoy for the wife. She doesn't like anything too crazy, but she does like sound. So I think those will fit nice in the back. I'll do an unboxing video of those in the next couple days here. And then we're actually going to be doing some Raptor liner to the side of the Envoy here. Just to fix up some of the rocker that's come off. It was a different brand and some of the paint came off, so we're going to touch that up with some good Raptor liner. And yeah, we had Canada Day, so I got a clip of the fireworks as well, so that was pretty fun. The project you guys haven't seen yet, we went and parked it down by the river and threw some blankets in the box of the truck and watched the fireworks from there. I videotaped with my tripod from the roof of the truck, and yeah, it was a pretty good day. So I'll post all those videos shortly, and enjoy. I got them all hooked up. Of course it's midnight, but like sweat dripping down my no chance that I'm leaving you without you on me. I know you already know that all four are working, and got a sound deaden tomorrow and put the door panels back on, which I hate, but she works. Jackie Chan, I think you got the wrong impression about me back. Just cause they heard what I'm